Hello everyone. So today we will see a small case on regression analysis. So the case is the general sales manager of Kiran Enterprises, an enterprise in the sale of ready-made men's wear, is toying with the idea of increasing his sales to rupees 80,000. And on checking the records of sales during the last 10 years, it was found that the annual sales proceeds and advertisement expenditure were highly correlated. So this is the main line of the question. Annual sales proceeds and advertisement expenditure were highly correlated to the extent of 0.9. Okay, so this means in this question we are talking about two things. First is advertisement and second is sales, or we can say sales or and advertisement. So first we are considering advertisement, and this advertisement considered as X and this sales considered as Y. So let the sales equals to X, say advertisement equals to X and sales is Y, and correlation between them to the extent of 0.9. So this means this question is talking about Pearson coefficient of correlation between X and Y, and that is 0.9. So there is strong correlation. It was further noted that the annual average sale, now talking about average sale, is 45,000 and average advertisement expenditure is of 30,000. So average of sale means its average is denoted by y bar, and this equals to how much? This is 45,000. And second, for advertisement expenditure, this is denoted by X, so X bar mean this equals to 30,000. So these two things. And now the next line of the question, with a variance of 1650 and 729. So first this variance for sale, this variance for advertisement expenditure, right? So sales and advertisement expenditure. So variance is denoted by sigma square. Variance is denoted by sigma square. So for sales this is 1650, so variance of this is sigma y square is 1650, and variance in X, sigma X square equals to 720. Okay, so you need to find what? You need to find, in this case, find a relation for sales based on advertisement. This means you need to find regression relation for sales. Sales is denoted by Y on advertisement, that is X. This means your target is to find Y on X relationship. So in this case, we have Y bar, X bar, we have R, we have sigma Y, we have sigma X, and we don't have data in form of table. So Y on X relationship is in the form of deviation method. So deviation method required relationship in the form of required relation in form of Y on X is Y minus y bar equals to byx, because this is Y on X, X minus x bar. And this byx equals to what? Byx can be written as R sigma y upon sigma x into X minus x bar, and this is Y minus y bar. So R is given, sigma y and sigma x also given, because you have this sigma x square, sigma y square. By taking its under root of 729, that is 27. Under root of this, sigma x equals to 27 after taking its under root. And for this second one also, the second one is 1650. So its under root is 40 point. For this, sigma y equals to 40.62. And r equals to this 0.9. With the combination of this, we can find this value easily. So sigma y, r equals to 0.9 and sigma y equals to 40.62 and sigma x equals to 27. Or we can find this value separately also, or in equation directly, and the value of y bar, also given. The value of y bar, is 45,000. This is not 4,500, this is 45,000. So this is 45,000 and this multiplied by x minus 30,000. So on solving this, you will get this 0.9 multiplied by 40.62 and this divided by 27. So you will get this value as 1.354 and this multiplied by this x minus 30,000 and this is y minus 45,000. Now on multiplication, this is 1.354x and this multiplied by 1.354 into 30,000. So this equals to 40620 and this is y minus 45,000. So we will shift this 40,000 this side because we need relationship for y on x. So this is 1.354x and this 4620 plus this quantity is negative, so this side this become 45,000. So your answer is 1.354x minus, so this is 45,000. So this equals to plus 4380. So the required equation for sales on advertisement is this one. This is the required answer. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day.